Alright, so this will be like a little part 2. So we have the starts pulled in and the run should be 2. So if we check right here, we have 120 volts going to the coil. So what we'll end up having to do is, because there's a board where those wires connect to, so we're gonna have to pull off the face and then essentially disassemble the contactor and O-mount the coil to see if the coil is open or that board is bad. Alright, so we've gotten the points taken out. So you'll end up having to fight the mechanical interlock to get it out. So the next step we got to do is, unfortunately, I believe the coil is behind this board. It plugs in on the very back. So I'm gonna have to loosen up these bolts and pull this lug, because this lug goes through the board, so that's how it's able to sense amperage. So anyhow, let me get that done. We'll yank the board out and test the coil. So here's the board. So you just end up having all the high voltage loose, and then these are what actually stick to the board there. So and then you just have your plug for your coil, for the contactor. So that checked out fine. So it's reading about 3 ohms, if I remember correctly from a few years ago when I did this. That is correct, so that should be fine. Which sucks because that board's not that old, so we'll reassemble and then retest. If we're still not pulling in, then we're gonna have to replace this board here.